This last one was awful.
Yeah, we were distracted by a teammate who didn't want to do shit, so.
There's no way those words I just heard came out of Jason's mouth. Oh my god!
Whoa.
You're either perfect
Oh my god!
or you're not.
Oh
me.
my god!
Tico,
Oh, you're
33? How
clean?
much you been playing?
Played a lot today.
I was on earlier.
Yeah, I saw you.
Okay? Damn.
God, I have to. I feel compelled to do the dishes.
Send me an ass pic.
Don't fucking do that, cause I will. Carve this one, wrong one.
I try to lick my boobs from time to time.
All right. Let's play Battlefield.
If I had longer than a
Eat.
4-inch dick, I'd try to suck my own dick too. But
I feel like a normal. I don't know where I was going with that. I'm just talking.
We'll go
it's a
Anyways,
canon
let's play this
event.
game.
Everyone's tried to suck their dick once.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Cat's out of the bag.
What'd you say, Tease?
I sucked my own dick in a dream once.
I believe so.
Dude, we gotta watch that.
Schmoll.
That shit's funny as fuck.
Who's
It's
urinating?
okay, I'll probably just.
I'm
solo
pouring
queue.
juice for my son, you ass.
Oh. Sounded like you were. All I do is win, win, win no matter what.
Couldn't be. Would be
Okay,
too obvious.
I need a gun.
It's too obvious. Oh no!
Oh,
Hey,
that is
Devin.
fucking unreal.
That's it. I'm getting sucked off.
I wish, dude. I wish a goth girl would give me Spooky Dome right now.
We only got.
Why do I have to play as a woman?
Dude, you should have other characters.
Did you hear that?
What?
Tanner fucking ripped ass. Clip that shit.
No, I didn't.
That was
You
me.
did, Johnny. Clip it. Johnny, clip
That
it
was
now.
Me. Me when I ping a save.
I'm liking my coochie off right now.
Oh fuck! I dropped.
Just like animals, animals.
Holy shit, that song. What the fuck?
That's how Lance Stroll probably feels.
What's his warm-up song?
Yeah. Is this the real life? Is it just fantasy? Caught in a line escape from reality. Behind us, wall.
He's in front of me. He's super lit. Super lit.
Where?
There he is, Bryce. Bryce.
Yes! Yes!
Oh,
Yes,
let's go!
yes.
Holy shit!
Yes.
Let's go,
Yes! Yes!
No way!
Oh my gosh. 6 kills. I got 6 kills.
We got 40. Let's
Shit, bro,
go.
good shit. Holy fuck. I had one squad wipe and 1 kill.
That's huge, boys.
Yes, I know what you're talking about. It's gross.
I thought you were like, I thought you were American.
What?
Thanks, Bryce.
$10 on jump leader.
Probably.
10
Oh wait, it
bucks,
already
I-
told us.
$10 I have a flaccid penis right now.
Probably.
That's an easy bet.
For this building, bro.
That shit's cracked.
There might be neighbors up here.
No, we don't like neighbors. Hell yeah.
Purple
Got
LMG
pushed
over
by.
there if someone wants it.
This is what sex is like?
No.
Yes.
Have another.
I trust Bryce.
How many marksmen, how many
Trust me, I have
sniper
loads.
bullets can I get? Holy shit, dude.
Yeah, me and Finn have sex every night.
Trust me, I fuck.
Oh, people on our right. Or left, sorry there.
Is not right.
Yeah, my bad.
This is the opposite of right.
Yeah, I didn't have time to put up my thumbs.
We always get fucked somehow.
Super
Chopper.
wide open.
Yep.
It's low. I think they just crashed. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Come on, boys.
Where?
Right here, car.
I see him. Come on, he's behind this car.
Oh, he's behind right here. Pinged him. Yes!
Yes!
Nice.
Yes!
Let's go, baby!
Back-to-back nights! Back-to-back nights!
Oh my god. I just fucked his ass with that gun, dude.
Okay.
You guys are on the dream team right now, dude.
Rory.
we do.
Rory, it's okay.
You can't.
I'm handing you the baton, Rory. It's okay.
The baton.
Yeah, I know you like that small stuff.
Talking about small penises.
No, I'm just saying he likes small maps, dude. I don't know why you gotta bring that into it.
Or take us away.
What?
I thought it was carbine.
You're party leader, bro.
Yeah, we're playing what I want to play, not what you losers.
Hey!
Not nice.
Yeah.
These are soft.
I did spend money on this game, Rory.
Did you buy the battle pass or something?
Hell no.
Did you buy that skin in the store?
Yeah. Oh, damn it, Conquest. My game's gonna lag like a pussy, bitch. Damn it, Rory. I'll let you guys do that. Bryce and I are gonna go loot this shit.
Come on, Rory, we're going on an adventure together.
What a smiling friend.
How was dinner, Bryce?
Brilliant.
Do you like Super Monkey Ball?
I don't know. I
I feel good sometimes I don't.
Yeah, it's up to
Are we done?
everyone else.
Yeah, what do you want to do, bro?
Don't know.
Oh!
Oh, bitch. Fat ass stage. Fat ass stage.
I
Oh my god.
Perfect game!
What's up, Schmoll?
What's up, dude? They call me wrong hole Schmoll.
Is that what-
What the fuck? Stop. I just had a little Peter.
That was you. What the fuck? I just sucked off a dick. Damn.
Well, shit, we have to go on the tip?
Bean thing was gonna be in a beanstalk, like Jack and the Giant Beanstalk, but it didn't.
Bro thinks he's in a fairy tale for real.
Why did your mic queef?
Need to go?
Yeah,
Understood. Also, why is my rock heating up, bro?
because
What
it's
is
about to
this?
catch on lava, like fire.
No, see, that's kind of gay.
This scene.
My guess. That would be my guess.
Yeah.
Could be.
Oh my shit!
That was insane.
That was a fucking rip.
11, 10, 9, 8,
Oh, I'm gonna come.
7,
I'm gonna come.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Oh, oh,
1.